Rack Shop is proud to present this Lexus GX with the factory installed flush side rails. We've just installed the Yakima JetStream SightLine base roof rack system. So this system's using the JetStream load bar, 50 inches in length. Black shown here, silver is also available. The SightLine towers, which come in a set of 4, and the side clips, number 48. And that is a complete set of 4. So you see a really great system that holds super well to the flush rails. So overall you have a 165 pound carrying capacity, and crossbars can be mounted along the flush side rails, just not on top of the access caps. So a great system for all sorts of cargo, kayaks, and lots of other recreational gear. So this is just a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system, visit the link in the description below. That's gonna be it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.